Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is carrot rasam. Let's begin the recipe. In a cooker, pour some water and add the chopped carrots. Cook this well and after cooling, make it into a fine puree. Carrots has been blended into a smooth paste. I'm adding the tamarind extract, rasam powder, salt to taste, little jaggery, few curry leaves, when it starts boiling, I'll tear in some coriander leaf, while this is boiling, I can make the seasoning for this. Some ghee to the pan, mustard, some red chillies, some hing, I'm going to add the seasoning to the rasam. Carrot rasam is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.